Hey everyone, I'm Shrishti and welcome to the real life of sellers with e-commerce talk with Webby. Your ultimate hangout for all things e-commerce. A series by Webby Global, where we make selling smarter and smoother. This is not typical business talk. It's real stories, no filter, and solutions you will want to use. So, today we are diving into something that every seller dreads: late deliveries. Not only does it mess up the customer's mood, but trust me, it's always a major tension for sellers. And we have got Shubham and one more Shrishti here to chat about how late deliveries can affect your brand. And more importantly, how to tackle this problem head on. We will talk about relatable experiences, the latest trends, and of course, solutions that can save your day. So, grab your coffee, get comfortable, and let's get started. At the end of this chit chat, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on the good stuff. So, we can start with Shrishti.
Thanks, Srishti. As Srishti mentioned, today's topic is a real headache for sellers: late deliveries. Before we jump in, a quick question for you, Shubham. Have you ever faced a delivery delay that left you frustrated?
Yeah, oh, definitely. I once ordered a birthday gift for my mom, and guess what? It arrived 2 days late. Total disaster. The surprise was totally ruined. And if you have been following social media during big sale events, you will know that delivery days are always a hot topic. It's something a lot of shoppers face, right?
Totally. But do you know why late deliveries are such a big deal for sellers? I mean, I understand that it's frustrating for customers, but what impact does it have on the business?
Srishti, it's really simple. Customers lose trust when they don't get their orders on time. And if it happens again, they'll just go to your competitor. It's like a relationship where trust is broken. It's hard to get back once it's gone.
Right. And I guess it's not just the customers who get impacted. Your ratings take on it, which in turn affects your visibility on e-commerce platforms like Amazon and Flipkart. A delay might lead to negative reviews even if your product is great. And once you get a few of those, your algorithm ranking drops. It's like a snowball effect. One bad review leads to other and you see your sales going down.
Exactly. Plus, late deliveries mean higher customer service costs. You have got to handle complaints, offer refunds, and sometimes even send out replacements. It eats into your profits and creates unnecessary stress for your team.
That's why planning is the key. Recently, I was reading about some interesting e-commerce trends on Google. Did you know that order fulfillment speed is now one of the top factors customers consider when choosing a seller? If you can deliver fast, you stand out from the competition. Amazon Prime, for example, is a huge player in this. People expect next day delivery or at least in 2 days.
Yeah, and that trend isn't just limited to Amazon. Customers are more impatient than ever. 81% of shoppers say that they will stop shopping with a brand if their order is delayed. That's why sellers need to be aware of current expectations. If you're offering next day or same day delivery shipping, you're already ahead of the most.
And when it comes to festive seasons like Diwali, Christmas, or big billion days, you need to plan your logistics around high demand. Imagine you're suddenly getting a spike in orders and set for great profits, but the fulfillment system is not ready. There goes delays.
Yeah, and I've seen that happen with sellers during festivals. The demand surges and their logistic partners just can't keep up. One seller I spoke with mentioned how he had to rely on multiple partners to meet the festive demand. It worked out, but it was a headache.
That's the thing. You can't be too reliant on just one partner, especially during peak seasons. Diversifying your fulfillment channels and logistic partners is crucial. And this is where Amazon MCF or multi-channel fulfillment comes into play. It's not just about Amazon. It can fulfill orders from your Shopify stores, eBay, or even social media orders. But it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Sellers need to research and find what works best for their business.
Here's a story that I came across recently. There was a small seller who started with just 50 orders a month. Things were going well for a while, but then the delivery delays started piling up. His customers were leaving negative reviews and sales were dropping.
Oh no, his rating must have taken a hit.
Exactly. He was losing customers to bigger sellers with faster deliveries, but then he made a few changes. He diversified his logistics partner and started using Amazon MCF to fulfill orders. It wasn't easy and there was a learning curve, but in just 3 months, his ratings improved and his sales grew by 30%.
There you go. There's a proof that the right strategy can turn things around. Once you find the right solution, your business can level up. I think the story shows how innovation and adaptability can save the day. Sellers who don't update their systems risk falling behind.
Yeah, so there are some quick tips that should be followed, and let's talk about those quick tips to handle those delivery delays. So the tip number 1, I would say, is always keep buffer stock, especially during festive seasons. Out of stock means delayed deliveries. So it's all about forecasting demand. Tip number 2, I would say, is diversify your logistics partner. Don't pull all your eggs in one basket. If one fails, you have to get a backup. I know some sellers who use third-party logistics and in-house fulfillment to avoid relying on one source is always ahead. Tip number 3, enable fast delivery badges on your product listings. It's not just a symbol, it's a trust-building tool. Customers are more likely to buy from you if they see that badge. Even if it's a little more expensive, it doesn't matter to them. It's all about getting the deliveries on time.
Also, keep an eye on trends like same-day delivery. That's becoming more popular, especially in Tier 1 cities. Google mentions that 58% of shoppers are willing to pay premium for same-day delivery, which is crazy.
It's insane, right? But even if you can't offer same-day delivery, offering real-time tracking can help. It gives customers a sense of control. They can see exactly where the package is and get updates when it's out for delivery.
Totally. Have you heard about AI-powered logistics? Companies are using AI to predict delivery times, route optimization, and inventory management. AI in logistics is a growing trend, and it helps sellers keep their delivery promises.
Yes, that's something we might see more in the coming years. But for now, sticking with reliable logistic partner is still your safest bet, I would say. So that's it. Late deliveries are a seller's nightmare. But with the right tools and planning, you can handle it without breaking a sweat.
Exactly. And remember, problems सबके साथ होते हैं, but smart sellers find solutions.
So over back to Srishti.
Thank you so much, Shrishti and Shubham. And big thanks to Shubham and my name, Twin Shrishti, for that insightful discussion. Late deliveries happen, but with the right strategy, your business can stay on top. That's all for today. If you are still figuring things out or have any questions, feel free to hit us on our contacts. We are always here to help you out. And of course, if you enjoyed this episode, make sure to subscribe where you want to listen and stay tuned for the next one, where we will tackle another exciting topic with e-commerce talk with Webby. Until then, keep hustling, keep selling, and keep awesome.